Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Paalala lang, reading natin ay general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Okay, Capricorn, what's the energy? October 16 to 31 for Cappies. Wow, okay. Mixed emotions, Capricorn. Second half ng October. Maaring meron kayong susubukan gagawin, sisimulan, na magpapadalos-dalos kayo. So, pwedeng yun ay magkaroon ng disappointment. So, pay attention to your emotions. Mas maganda na magplano kayo bago nyo pasukin ang isang sitwasyon na yan. This can be a relationship, a responsibility, or a work, career, yan. Business, okay? Four of Pentacles, you are saving. Magsisimula ka na mag-ipon financially. Maaring mas mararamdaman mo rin ngayon na nagiging maayos na yung finances mo kung medyo nahirapan ka financially in the past. So, second half ng October, you will feel at ease na kumbaga nagiging okay na yung cash flow mo. You have the Knight of Pentacles. So, this is stability in your finances. Ace of Pentacles, new job, new career, napapasukin mo, or ito yung mga nagsisimula na bagong sources of income, things are doing well sa mga nasimulan mo. As long as you are working hard for it, no, talagang tinatrabaho mo siya. So, magkakaroon naman to ng magandang resulta, yung mga ine-effortan mo, tinatrabaho mo, especially kung ito ay sa business mo, no? Oo, kasi pag sa business, hindi naman kasi fix ang income sa business, pwedeng tumaas, pwedeng bumaba. Yun lang yung maganda doon kasi yung income mo doon ay base sa efforts na ibibigay mo. You are also going to be more adventurous. You will try new things. Yung iba sa inyo ay maaring may travel opportunities, like mapupunta ka sa isang lugar, sitwasyon na bago sa'yo, pero yung lakas ng loob mo, yun yung magpapatuloy, no, nung oportunidad na yan. You also have the World, so meron kang i-close na chapter sa buhay mo. Ito ay isang achievement, no? So, kung i-analyze natin, or parang yung analogy nito is para kang graduate, no? Graduate ka, so ending siya, pero in a good way, no? Dahil merong chapter na natatapos at nagbubukas na panibagong chapter para sa'yo. So, yung iba naman, if you are planning to work abroad, travel abroad, yan, may opportunity rin. Yeah, you have the Seven of Cups, the Emperor. Planning is very important sa inyo, no? Minsan kasi na-overwhelm kayo sa mga sa sitwasyon na meron kayo. So, it really helps, no? Makakatulong kung merong person rin na magbibigay sa inyo ng advice, or magkukonsulta kayo sa isang mentor, someone who knows better, or someone who knows dun sa gusto nyong subukan or pasukin. You have the Four of Pentacles. This is about healing. So, you may be healing from a relationship, a situation in the past. Yeah, yun yung natatapos, no, for you, na parang, okay, that's the chapter of my life and I will move forward na kasi healed ka na, may naayos na feeling sa'yo na, okay, whether meron kang pinatawad na tao or ikaw yung pinatawad, ang importante is nagkaroon na ng closure. And yung closure na yon is going to bring you peace of mind. You have the Hierophant, the Lover. So this is commitment. Commitment sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, career mo, relationship mo. Some of you pwedeng magkakaroon ng marriage, no? Oo. Pwede itong business partnership or totoong kasal. But if hindi ka sigurado, pag-isipan mo muna. Huwag pa dalos-dalos kasi baka mauwi lang sa heartbreak yan or disappointment. What is the Fool? The Seven of Cups. So, kasi nga, kung hindi ka sure, ayan o, confused to eh. So, kung confused ka tapos i-go mo, para kang ano dyan. Para kang pumunta sa isang labanan na wala kang gamit panlaban. May losses dito. Yeah, yun yung kailangan yung pag-isipan maigi, no? If you are may papasukin kang relationship, isang investment or responsibility na hindi mo pinag-isipan, nako. Kailangan aware ka, no, sa mga consequences. You have the Nine of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. Meron kang mga projects na magiging successful second half ng October. As long as you focus on planning, camaraderie, no? Kumbaga may direction. Meron kang plano. Oo, you will be able to achieve your goals second half ng October. So let's see sa iyong kaperahan. Ano yung energy ng money, career, finances for Capricorn? O, ito nga, ayun nga. May growth dito. So, meron kang sinisimulan ngayon or nasimulan mo na to. This can be a new source of income, trabaho, na pinag-aaralan mo talaga, you are willing to learn, na ito ay uunlad. Okay? You will see growth. And at the same time, hindi siya ganun kadali, no? Pero, kung ikaw ay palaban, no? Ma-overcome mo naman yung challenges dyan. Kumbaga, worth it naman yung challenges. Relationship, you have the King of Swords. Nako. Okay. Be careful if be careful if you're dealing with someone sa relationship na baka may mga hindi mo alam, ha? Oo. Lalo na kung may kinalaman sa pera. Yung bang hindi mo alam, yung partner mo, meron pang pinagbibigyan ng pera, sinisikreto sa'yo, may ibang pinagkakagastosan. Isa kasi yan sa napag-aawayan sa relationship. What is the Seven of Swords? The Emperor. Aries energy. Okay. Parang labanan to ng kung sino yung mataas ang pride, kung sino yung pwedeng magkaroon ng power struggle sa relationship ninyo. Dahil meron ditong gustong mag-control sa relationship. Two of Wands. I feel like if you are in a relationship right now, either ikaw yan or the other person, na meron pang sinusuportahan na iba na ayaw nung isa. Oo, ganon. Halimbawa ikaw, may sinusuportahan ka like family mo or ibang tao, ayaw yun ng partner mo. Or yung partner mo may sinusuportahan financially at ayaw mo rin nun. You are reclaiming your power. Mas nagiging confident ka rin sa sarili mo, Capricorn. You will be working with others, no? Meron ditong collaboration. Pwedeng partnership with others. And also, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kapag meron kayo major decision, evaluate nyo yung mga options ninyo. Kasi baka makapag-decide kayo na hindi pinag-isipan. Tapos, magsisi lang kayo. Ayan. Marami kayong energy ngayong second half ng October to accomplish the things that you need to do. And meron ding mga sources of inspiration na nag-cheer up sa inyo. Lalo na if this is your romantic person or yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Step up and lead. So this is about leadership, growing, no, taking responsibility. Maaaring meron kang responsibility na i-assume ngayong second half ng October. A fiery climax begins. Ayan. So yung iba sa inyo, medyo ano kayo ngayon, yung parang pump up, no? You are kumbaga yung energy ninyo unlimited. So, gamitin nyo yan para sa ikabubuti ng inyong sarili at improvement ng inyong kabuhayan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.